Hello, lovers of the universe. Today, we will take you on a journey through the most mysterious and fascinating entities of the cosmos, black holes. These enigmatic gravitational monsters that stop time and warp space in ways we can't even imagine. A black hole is an astronomical object with immense gravitational attraction. The gravitational pull is so strong that even light cannot escape. The cause of such strong gravity is the matter being consumed, which is condensed in a very small space. Because light cannot escape, and black holes themselves are nearly completely black, they are invisible to humans. So, how do scientists know where black holes are? The answer to this question lies in the stars, that behave unnaturally when they are near black holes. The event horizon of black holes can be seen as their surface in a certain sense. It is a boundary which we cannot see, and if we were to find ourselves there, we would not be able to escape. It is the point where the escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. Any matter or potential interstellar traveler that falls into the trap of a black hole will be lost forever. When a star dies, it burns through its remaining fuel, which consists of hydrogen and helium, and begins to collapse under its own gravity, leading to a cosmic explosion known as a supernova. This explosion sends the outer layers of the star into the space. After the explosion, only the core remains. If the mass of this core exceeds 3 times the mass of the Sun, a point called a singularity is formed, which has an infinitely small volume and infinitely high density. It is the center of a black hole, where all known concepts of time and space are broken. A greater mystery lies in supermassive black holes, which exist at the centers of galaxies. One theory suggests that they form as a result of the accumulation of matter at the galactic center during the process of galactic mergers. This phenomenon occurs when larger galaxies engulf smaller ones, absorbing their mass. Another theory suggests that there might exist stars in the universe that are so massive that when they collapse, they can give rise to supermassive black holes. Additionally, it is possible for supermassive black holes to form from large amounts of matter accumulated in their vicinity, which can be consumed through the fusion of black holes. Every galaxy hides a supermassive black hole in its core, which, through its gravitational pull, holds the galaxy together. The black holes in the centers of some galaxies are highly active, leading to the formation of quasars. Quasars, despite their relatively small size, generate tremendous amounts of energy, often surpassing the brightness of entire galaxies. The process of generating quasar brightness is associated with an immense stream of energy emitted by matter falling into the black hole from its surrounding accretion disk. At the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A. The distance from Earth to Sagittarius A is over 25,000 light-years. Around Sagittarius A, thousands of stars orbit, constantly being consumed, contributing to the growth of Sagittarius' mass, which has increased by even 4 times over the course of 5 to 10 billion years. The mass of Sagittarius A is approximately 4 million times that of the Sun, making it the closest supermassive black hole to us. Black holes, despite their destructive nature, are essential for the formation of life. Without Sagittarius A, our galaxy would never have formed. It provides opportunities for the creation of peaceful and life-friendly regions within the galaxy. Energy outbursts from black holes interact with the gas and stellar dust, resulting in the even distribution of matter throughout the galaxy. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. It greatly helps in the development of our channel. See you soon!